Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a super sweet little mulberry purse for you today. So this is the mulberry tree. So we've got the little mulberry tree on the front just there. So this is the mulberry tree zip around wallet. So just a very classic mulberry piece, but it's in this gorgeous colour. So Mulberry have called this colour peony pink, which is perfect for peony season. It's just a very, very lovely, sweet kind of summery pink. I'm going to talk you through all the features of this. So we have obviously a zip around closure. So I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside here, we've got a couple of inserts. So let me just take those out so you can see inside properly. So inside here, you've just got everything that you would want in kind of an everyday wallet. So you've got 2 flat pockets on either side, and then either side as well, you have 4 card slots. So 4 on that side and 4 on that side as well. So 8 altogether. And then you've got a zip section in the middle, perfect for kind of those loose coins or popping your keys in there, just those things that you want to keep a little bit more secure. And then you've got a couple of open sections as well. So just a very, very useful, practical little wallet in a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. This wallet is in a very nice condition. So we have called the exterior condition good condition. So I'm just going to show you why we've called it that. So you can see just along the edges really, where there's a little bit of discoloration, so that lovely pink colour, there's just a little bit of darkening on the leather on the corners, so you can see those, and then just a very little bit on this fabric as well, and this fabric just has gone a little bit fluffy, if you know what I mean. It's not as it was brand new. You can tell that it has been used, but there's no massive signs of wear to it, and for the most part that colour is still gorgeous, as you can see. And then the hardware we have called very good condition, so it's lovely gold hardware, and there's not a lot of silver coming through. Often with used gold hardware you can see a little bit of the silver coming through, but you can't see any on here. You can see some wear on this zip pull. You can see just there where there's a little bit of scratching along the top of the zip pull. But other than that, the hardware is all perfect. That zip still works perfectly, and the colour on the rest of it is still perfect as well. Let me just pop that tag out. And then the interior condition, I will take these out so you can see that. We have called the interior condition very good. So there's hardly any wear at all. It just has these very small little sparkly marks. But again, they're hardly noticeable, and only on a little bit of that leather. The fabric on that interior is perfect. It's super, super clean. There's no signs of wear to that at all. So that is why I've called the interior very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Mulberry product tag, which has got that peony pink colour on there. And then we've got the gift box as well. So if you're looking for a gift for a Mulberry lover, it's always nice when it comes with the box as well. It's always a nice little added extra. If you'd like to see this on our website, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so it will take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com if it's still available. If it isn't still available, that link will take you to our generic product page. So we have loads of other gorgeous arm candy, loads of little wallets and gifty pieces like this. If you're looking for a gift, you can pop in gift into the search bar and it'll bring up loads of lovely gift bits. But if you were looking out for something like this in particular and you've missed out on it this time, get on our request list. It's really easy to do that. All you have to do is send us over an email. Our email is in the description below as well. Let us know that you'd like one of these. We'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can get in there nice and quickly. Before we do that though, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4", and even though it is just a wallet, because it's a nice kind of long, decent sized wallet, you could even just carry it by itself. It's slim enough to pop it in your everyday bag, big enough to just have it by itself like that. And you can pop a few essentials into there. Like I said, in the middle, you've got that nice little zip section to keep a few bits a bit more secure. And you can just have it in your hand as well. And you kind of wouldn't want to hide this in your bag because it's such a gorgeous colour, especially in the summer. It just adds a nice little pop of pink to your everyday. So have a look at this on armcandybagco.com. Don't forget, while you're on there, sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to our newsletter, you will get your welcome discount code, so don't miss out on that. and we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous bags.